1-month-old Elise walking to her mommy. Come on, baby. Walk to mama. Woo, you ran. Where are you running to? Where are you running to? Hi. Clap your hands, baby. Yay. Yay, we're so happy to see you. Here's the video. Say hi. Show us around the room, baby. Come show us around the room. Where's your ball pit? Yeah, that's right. Yeah. You cleaning up? You cleaning up for guests? No, it doesn't go there. Put it away, baby. Uh-oh.